How to fix page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app. So if you're facing a problem of page not available on your computer or your laptop, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search at first. Now under search, you need to search for GP edit. Once you search for it, you'll have edit group policy. Just click on it. It will be under your control panel. Now, once you open, you can enlarge that, adjust it. Now, you just need to simply go with administrative templates, and under administrative templates, you will have Windows components. Go with Windows components, and then you need to scroll down, search for Windows security. Now, under Windows security, here on the right side, you may have virus and threat protection, right? So double click on the virus and threat protection and then go with hide the virus and threat protection area. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, now you'll get this kind of interface, and make sure that this option is set as not configured. If it is enabled or disabled, you might get some problems. So go with not configured, and then you can go with apply and OK. Now, once you've done this, now you just need to simply go with the next step, which is you need to open up your command prompt. So search for CMD and then go with run as administrator and click on yes, and you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter a command, which is gp update space / force, and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then wait for a few minutes or a few seconds, and after that your problem might be fixed. You can just remove that or just exit. That's it. Now, if that still doesn't fix, move on to the next solution, which is you need to search for control panel. Open up your control panel, and under your control panel, you will have your programs. Or there is a shortcut. What you can do is just simply go with search, and here you can simply search for appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter. And it will directly take you to your programs and features, which is uninstall or change a program. So here what you need to do is you just need to simply disable any third-party securities if you've installed anything, and after installing that, if giving you the problems, then you just need to simply go and disable or uninstall it. Once you uninstall, then your problem might be fixed. You need to open up your command prompt, which is the last solution. So go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So there are some commands in the description below. You just need to simply go and copy the commands. So copy the commands one by one and paste it right here. So first copy the first command. Once you've copied, you need to right click on your command prompt. Once you right click, then it will be pasted right there. Now go with the next command in the same way, just copy and then paste it. Just right click and it will all be pasted. So just proceed with the steps with all of these commands, and after that you need to restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.